If you are a teacher looking to use more games in your maths lessons, watch the video to find out some simple ways you can use simple resources to play lots of games. Hi, I'm Tracy Ashbridge. I'm the author of Mathtastic. Mathtastic is a program designed to help students develop their number sense, particularly in the early primary years where we develop those skills of adding and subtracting, knowing our basic facts around doubling, our basic facts around dividing, and how all those things are linked together. So today I'm going to talk to you about the importance of playing games in maths. And Mathtastic has loads and loads of games in there that you can play over and over again to get that repetition that students need in order to remember the information. So the report I read was actually from South Africa, and they were talking about how you can learn lots and lots of maths with some really, really simple games. So things like snakes and ladders and playing cards and dice and dominoes. You could just using those, you can learn lots and lots of mathematical concepts. But we all know that playing games is fun, and that helps learning. If we're having fun, we're probably learning as well. And we can adapt the games to make them a little bit more challenging or a little bit easier. One of the things I learned recently was that when I'm using a pack of cards, I usually take out the picture cards and 10. But if you put the queen in, you can use the queen as a 0. And I was like, that was a game changer for me. Something really, really simple that we can then use that playing games. So the games obviously need to be appropriately balanced between skills and having fun and getting lots and lots of practice. It's important that we know what concepts we want to use. And often they can be so easily differentiated, even within 2 or 3 children. You can adapt it slightly for each one. And obviously, simple games can be taken home, played with the family. So I use games all the time to practice skills and to keep students engaged, because learning can be hard. And if we're playing games, it just makes it feel like we're just having fun. And they sometimes forget how much we're playing. I often play a game called Shut the Box. It has a box, a square around the edge, and the numbers flip up at the side. Now it has a green square in the middle of felt, so when you roll the dice it's not noisy. My students also keep asking me, can we play the soccer game? And I'm like, what's the soccer game? But that's how they visualise that that's the game we're playing. They've forgotten that we're learning maths, but we're playing the soccer game. So the report gave lots of reasons around why it's really good for maths development for a research perspective, which backs up the approach of Mathtastic. So games need to be designed in a way that you can potentially play the same game but change the rules. So one of the games I regularly play is called War. So I play it with a pack of cards. So I replace take out all the 10, the jack, keep the queen, and put out the king and the joker. And I play so with effectively cards of 1 to 10, 1 to 0. And I start off playing with 1 card. Everybody gets 1 card. Who's got the highest card? So then at the next level, we put out 2 cards. Who can make the biggest number with the cards they've got? So if you've got a 3 and a 1, you're going to make 13, or you're going to make 31. Well, if we're playing the biggest number game, then you're going to play 31. I can take that to 3 cards, 4 cards, but I can also then reverse it and go who can make the smallest number. I can also play who can make the number closest to. So just that one game, there's so much variety of different things. So keep watching the Mathtastic page, because there's lots and lots of games I've been sharing. So take a look. And also if you purchase the book, all the games that are in the book are in short videos of how to play in the back office.